What's up guys, it's Yasha back with another video. Today we're in Tau Community, which is in Tulum Country Club. We're about 15 minutes north of Tulum and maybe around 30 minutes south of Playa del Carmen. Tulum Country Club is a gated residential development in Acumao with many services and amenities including the PGA Riviera Maya course and access to Kai Beach Club. Our community is a residence within Tulum Country Club and has extra security and their own amenities. Close to the community is the Tau Wellness Center, which offers a variety of services including a restaurant, gym, a yoga studio, a temazcal and a swimming pool. The property I will be walking through with you today is called Cenote 5 Residence, which has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 1 study, 2 terraces and a private pool. The complete size is 2,583 square feet. As we come into the villa, well, let's begin with the main living space and kitchen. We have a large kitchen island here. I guess the oven is included. We have all this pantry space here. Plunge pool just out here. Here we have the first bedroom, or a spare bedroom. Here we're coming into the master bedroom. This unit comes unfurnished. We've got this view almost into the golf course. Then you have a little balcony out here. This is your ensuite bathroom. Space for your towels, bed sheets I guess on this side. Space for your laundry. This room to our left technically could be a 4th bedroom, or alternatively you could have a yoga room, a music room, an office of course, and then you have your little balcony here. This is the 3rd bedroom. That wraps up today's video guys. Feel free to comment if you have any questions regarding the property today. If you have further questions about the market here or would like to see some property in the area, you can also contact me via the link tree provided or email me at the address in the description box. Thank you guys and stay tuned for more videos.